Have you ever wondered how much money attorneys can earn in the United States? It's not a simple answer, as the law field is complex, with different types of attorneys each having their own earning potential. My name is Sergio Ardila, and I have been an attorney for almost a decade. This video will give you a lot of information and transparency on how much attorneys really make. In the United States, attorneys generally fall into one of four major categories: government attorneys, big law attorneys, insurance defense, and plaintiffs' attorneys. Their earnings can vary significantly as each serves a unique role in the legal system. Let's start with the cornerstone of our justice system and explore the earnings of government attorneys. Government attorneys, including prosecutors and public defenders, play an essential role in our justice system, working for either state or federal entities to uphold the law. However, their salaries can differ significantly based on location, experience, and specialization. Typically, attorneys in urban settings earn more than those in rural areas. Experience also affects pay, with seasoned professionals earning more than fresh law school graduates. Specializing in a particular field like environmental or criminal law can influence earnings. Though starting salaries may be as low as $40,000 a year, they can exceed $100,000 with experience and specialization. Despite lower figures compared to the private sector, government attorneys have benefits like job security, predictable work schedules, and the satisfaction of public service. Ultimately, the role of a government attorney is about upholding the law and serving the public, with fair compensation and non-monetary rewards. Let's now shift focus to big law attorneys. Big law attorneys working in large multinational firms are often perceived as the high earners in the legal profession, and rightly so. Their salaries, starting around $150,000 a year for fresh graduates, vary based on several factors. Larger firms with over 500 attorneys generally offer higher salaries due to the scale of their operations and high-stakes cases. Location also matters, with attorneys based in major cities like New York, Los Angeles, or Chicago, earning more due to higher living costs. The attorney's role within the firm is significant too, as partners who share in the firm's profits can earn around $1 million a year. However, reaching this position usually requires graduating from a top law school, excelling in competitive internships, and enduring long work hours. Despite the appeal of the high earning potential, it's crucial to note that these salaries result from hard work, dedication, and sacrifice. Now, let's turn to the earnings of insurance defense attorneys. Insurance defense attorneys are key figures in negotiating and settling insurance claims. They help protect insurance companies from fraudulent claims. Let's explore their salary ranges. At the start, these attorneys might earn between $60,000 to $80,000 annually, depending on factors like their firm's location, the insurance company's size, and the complexity of their cases. With experience, their earnings can rise. For instance, a mid-level attorney with 5 to 10 years of experience can earn between $100,000 to $150,000 per year. Specialized attorneys, like those in areas like malpractice or product liability, often earn more because such areas require a high level of expertise. Then we have senior attorneys or partners who can earn well over $200,000 annually due to their depth of experience in insurance law. Finally, the size of the insurance company the attorney works for can also impact salary, with larger firms often offering higher salaries. So the earnings of insurance defense attorneys depend on their experience, expertise, and the size of their employer. Plaintiffs' attorneys or trial lawyers represent individuals or groups seeking damages in civil court. Their earnings fluctuate based on several factors. Firstly, the type of cases they handle significantly affects their income. Specializing in areas such as personal injury or medical malpractice, where cases can yield higher damages, can lead to higher fees. Secondly, an attorney's success rate influences their earnings. Winning results in a payout, whereas losing means hours of work without financial gain. As such, successful attorneys command higher fees. Lastly, the method by which they charge their fees, often on a contingency basis, impacts their income. This approach can yield substantial payouts in high-stakes cases, but also carries the risk of receiving nothing if case is lost. Salaries vary, ranging from around $60,000 to over $1 million annually. Remember, earnings of plaintiffs' attorneys can fluctuate greatly due to the factors we've discussed. To sum up, a plaintiff attorney's income is influenced by the type of cases they handle, their success rate, and their fee structure. We've explored the landscape of attorney salaries in the U.S., highlighting potential earnings in different sectors. Government attorneys often earn less, but find fulfillment in public service, while big law attorneys earn more, but face significant pressure and workload. Insurance defense attorneys enjoy stable incomes with potential bonuses, and plaintiffs' attorneys operate on a contingency basis, leading to varying earnings. Yet remember, income is influenced by factors such as location, experience, and specialty. Importantly, becoming an attorney goes beyond the allure of a high paycheck, requires dedication, hard work, and a passion for justice. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of attorneys' earnings in the U.S. We've concluded exploring attorneys' earnings in the U.S., aiming to inform your decisions or satisfy your curiosity. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our content. Remember, knowledge is power, and we at Sergio Ardila Law are here to empower you. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.